Welcome to my channel, the Pentest Labs. So most of us must have come across the situation where we want to run some software which is Linux based, or some command line utility which can be run from Linux based system only. But that time we are not able to run that command or specific software because we have only Windows based system with us. So but there is a solution to that. We can install Linux on our Windows system also. So let's see how we can do that. So for that you need to open the command prompt with administrator privilege, or you can open Windows PowerShell also as a administrator. So you have to just right click on this and you have to select run as administrator. You have to just press this, enter this command WSL minus install. WSL stands for Windows Services Linux, and let's press enter. So you will get this message. So it had started installing. Once Linux system has been installed on your system, so you can as usually install all of those Linux software on top of this your Windows system. And apart from that, you can also run some command line utilities using your Windows system. So this is the solution. So it had started installing now. So we need to just reboot the system. After rebooting, I can show you. Let me open command prompt. So I have to type just WSL to check. Okay, so see, I have all, so system is showing that it is already been installed on my system now, and you can verify it from here also. So this is a Windows based system. You can see Windows, and now here you can see the Linux icon is also appearing as Ubuntu. So it has installed the Ubuntu version on my system. So now you can run any software, or you can install any software from this prompt. You just need to type the normal Linux command here in this prompt. Thank you.